Hi, I'm Scott Stewart with the Washington Township Fire Department. If your kitchen's anything like ours, it's probably the center of activity during the Thanksgiving holiday season. To make sure you have a safe and healthy Thanksgiving, here's some tips we'd like to share with you. First, make sure not to leave the stove unattended. Having a burner or a heating element come in contact with oven mitt or spoon that's made of wood or plastic could cause a fire. Also, children like to be involved helping mom and dad prepare that big feast. But we want to make sure that we keep young children at least 3 feet away from the stove because the splash or steam from vegetables or gravy could cause serious burns to young children. If you're cooking that turkey in the oven and things don't go as well as planned and it catches fire, here's some things to keep in mind. 1. Make sure the door remains closed. That will snuff out any oxygen needed to keep the fire going. 2. Turn off the heat source. And 3. Make sure you call 911. If you do have a small grease fire and opt to put it out yourself, here's a few things to keep in mind to keep you safe. First, use a lid and slide it over top of the pan to smother the fire. One important thing to remember is to leave the lid in place until the skillet completely cools. If you're not comfortable putting out the fire yourself, remember to get your family out and call 911 from there, and we'll take care of the rest.
If you decide to take your cooking outside, say to fry a turkey, make sure the fryer is at least 10 feet away from your home. It is on level ground. Make sure the turkey is thawed and dry and completely dry. Any little bit of moisture will cause the oil to bubble and possibly bubble over, and therefore causing a fire. Also, always have a fire extinguisher ready, preferably a dry chem or a CO2. Do not use water. Finally, always keep an eye on the temperature. You don't want the oil getting too hot. It again will get pretty volatile if it does get too hot. Hope this information helps, and we wish you a very happy Thanksgiving.